Step 4. Add retail and professional products. Insight separates retail and professional products. Once added in one area, they can be copied over to be in both retail and professional. Note that the quantity will be tracked separately in each area. We will start with adding a retail product. Click Add Product. Choose a product code. This should be a shortened version of the full description that allows for easy searching. Product codes must be unique. Choose a description. This will be the full product name and can be longer than the product code allows. Enter the item size here. If you have a barcode scanner, scan the item's barcode here to use the scanner to pull it up when checking a client out. Note that if you've never used the scanner with Insight before, you'll need to configure it first. Click the Help button to find configuration sheets for compatible scanner models. The sheets for compatible scanners can be found here. Print off the sheet and scan from top to bottom to configure your scanner. Scanner models not listed here may not work with Insight. Call the support department to troubleshoot. The department and category can be set for reporting and searching purposes. We added departments and categories in Step 2. A product line can be specified for reporting purposes. Set the retail price of the product. Set cost and average cost. This is the price you purchased the item from the retailer. Type in a vendor code. Items will need to be grouped under the vendor that they are purchased from if you plan on running purchase orders in Insight. Optionally, input an order code. This will show up on purchase orders. Enter the quantity you have on hand. Here you can have Insight calculate how many items to reorder when building a purchase order. For example, this says, "When I have 1 or less left in stock, order me 4 more." Now we will look at professional products. Setting up a professional product is very similar to retail product setup. The main difference in setup is that a professional product can be configured to track back bar usage in the following 3 fields. For example, this says, color 453 has 12 ounces per item, and I want to track usage per ounce. Another example, this says, professional product cotton has 100 feet per box and I want usage tracked per foot.